Hello and welcome to Moreton Bay Region Library's Baby Rhyme Time. I'm Cassie and I'm here to sing some songs with you today. You all excited? Perfect. So we'll start off with our acknowledgement to country. Here is the land, here is the sky, here are my friends, and here am I. We respectfully acknowledge the traditional custodians on which we learn and play. Hands up. Hands down, and we are on Gubby Gubby and Undumby people ground. Perfect. I'm going to say hello. Hi, hello, and how are you? How are you? How are you? Hi, hello, and how are you? How are you today? Perfect. Okay, are we all ready to get started? We're going to do another bouncing one. This one's called I Bounce You Here. So we're going to do some bouncing, and then we're going to do some tickling, and then we're going to do some cuddling. We all ready to go? Perfect. I bounce you here. I bounce you there. I bounce you everywhere. I tickle you here. I tickle you there. I tickle you everywhere. I cuddle you here. I cuddle you there. I cuddle you everywhere. Perfect. We'll do that once more. Back to our bouncing. I bounce you here. I bounce you there. I bounce you everywhere. I tickle you here. I tickle you there. I tickle you everywhere. I cuddle you here. I cuddle you there. I cuddle you everywhere. Good job. Okay, now we're going to sing a very famous nursery rhyme called I'm a Little Teapot. You ready with your handle and your spout? Perfect. I'm a little teapot, short and stout. Here is my handle, here is my spout. When I get all steamed up, hear me shout. Tip me over, pour me out. Okay, we'll do it the other way around this time. Are you all ready to get started? I'm a little teapot, short and stout. Here is my handle, here is my spout. When I get all steamed up, hear me shout. Tip me over, pour me out. Perfect, good job. Okay, now we're going to sing another one that people might not be familiar with, but 6 little ducks. 6 little ducks that I once knew. Small ones, fair ones, big ones too. But the one little duck with a feather on his back, he led the others with the quack, 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 quack. Quack, quack, quack. Quack, quack, quack. He led the others with a quack, quack, quack. Down to the river they would come. Wibble, 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 wobble, hey, hum, hum. But the one little duck with the feather on his back, he led the others with the quack, quack, quack. Quack, quack, quack. Quack, quack, quack. He led the others with the quack, quack, quack. Good job. Now, our next one's another popular one. Open, shut them. Are we all ready to get started? Open, shut them. Open, shut them. Give a little clap. Open, shut them. Open, shut them. Lay them in your lap. Creep them, creep them, creep them, creep them right up to your chin. Open wide your little mouth, but do not let them in. Shake them, shake them, shake them, shake them, shake them just like this. Roll them, roll them, roll them, roll them, blow a little kiss. Good job. Now you can do that one faster at home You can do it slower. You can do it backwards if you really want, where you do the opposite instead of open shut them. Perfect. Okay, so now our very next and very last rhyme is round around the garden. Ready? Round and round the garden like a teddy bear. One step, two step, tickly under there. Okay, next hand. Round and round the garden like a teddy bear. One step, two step, tickly under there. Good job. I think we'll do one about a mouse. Ready? Round and round the haystack like a little mouse. One step, two step, into his little house. The other hand. Round and round the haystack like a little mouse. One step, two step, into his little house. I'm going to see all the laughing from over there. Perfect. Okay, now we're going to say goodbye. Goodbye, goodbye, we'll see you soon. See you soon. See you soon. Goodbye, goodbye, we'll see you soon. See you another day. Oh, good job everyone. We'll see you next week for rhyme time.